feeling like it's time to say goodbye to TikTok? This tutorial will guide you, step by step, on how to permanently delete your account, giving you complete control of your digital life and ensuring your information is removed from the platform. First, open your TikTok app and navigate to your profile. You'll find this by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen now. Tap the three horizontal lines, the menu icon located on the top right from the menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, look for the option Account and tap on it now. Within the account settings, tap the Deactivate or Delete Account option. You'll be prompted to either deactivate or delete your account. Since we want to permanently remove TikTok, tap the Delete Account Permanently option. TikTok will then present you with a few reasons for deletion. Choose the reason that best fits why you're removing your account. After providing a reason for deletion, you might see some options to encourage you to keep the account, but continue to delete account. TikTok will then offer a final confirmation step, which usually includes verification of your identity. Most likely this is through entering a code sent to a connected email address or phone number. Confirm your decision, and your account will be queued for permanent deletion. Remember, after this point, it can take up to 30 days for your data to be completely erased. During this time, you can still log back into your account to cancel the deletion process. Once the 30 days pass, your account, content, and personal information will be gone from TikTok. You've successfully deleted your TikTok account.